this is Riya Jain, and for those who don't know me, I run a fashion, beauty and lifestyle blog called Caught in a Cup, and for those who know me, hey there. So today I'm here at the MyGlamm studio to create a very exciting look for you guys. I'll be using a bunch of MyGlamm products and one additional product which I'm really excited to tell you guys about. I've collaborated with MyGlamm on a range of lip liners from their lip collection. So I'll be using the lip liner in my look today and you guys can see what it looks like. So let's get started. So I'm pretty excited for the next step. I'll be applying this lip liner in the shade name of Pretty Mess. It's a lovely warm brown shade which works best as a nude for the Indian skin tones.